Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is electron transport chain. There are four complexes that are used to transfer electron across in inner mitochondrial membrane, and these electrons are used by oxygen, and oxygen is then reduced to water molecule. This is intermembrane space. Here lies inner mitochondrial membrane. Here four complexes are present. Complex 1 contain NADH dehydrogenase, FMN and iron sulfur center. NADH is oxidized by NADH dehydrogenase, and electrons are then transferred to FMN, and then from FMN electrons are transferred to iron sulfur center, and these electrons are then ultimately transferred to coenzyme Q. Similarly, complex 2 contains succinate dehydrogenase, FAD and iron sulfur center. Succinate is oxidized by succinate dehydrogenase, and electrons are released. Electrons are then transferred to FAD and then iron sulfur center, and these electrons are finally transferred to coenzyme Q, which is mobile electron carrier. And then the function of coenzyme Q is to link flavin dehydrogenases with cytochromes. Complex 3 contains cytochrome B and iron sulfur center and cytochrome C1. And electrons are then transferred to this complex, and from this complex, which is also known as cytochrome BC1, electrons are transferred to cytochrome C and then transferred to, which is also a mobile electron carrier, electrons are transferred to copper containing cytochrome A plus A3. And during this transfer of electrons, energy is released. This energy is used to pump hydrogen ions from mitochondrial matrix across the inner mitochondrial membrane into intermembrane space. At complex 1, 4 hydrogen ion pumped across inner mitochondrial membrane, and at complex 3, 4 hydrogen ion pumps across inner mitochondrial membrane from mitochondrial matrix into intermembrane space, and across complex 4, 2 hydrogen ion pump from mitochondrial matrix across inner mitochondrial membrane into intermembrane space, and then electrons are finally reached to oxygen atom, and oxygen is reduced to water molecule. This complex complex 4 is also known as cytochrome C oxidase because it has coordination site for oxygen atom, so it is known as cytochrome C oxidase. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.